Could dress up to get love. Guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie.
Hi, I'm Alyssa Mae Vasquez. In this video, I'll be going to talk about a certain biodiversity, its description and contribution to the ecosystem and other life forms, and also the way on how we can protect and conserve that biodiversity. But first, let me define what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of all living organisms, including plants, animals, their habitats, and genes. Biodiversity is fundamental to life on Earth. We need it for invaluable ecosystem services, providing oxygen, food, shelter, medicine, clean water, fertile soil, and stable climate and recreation. One example of biodiversity are sea otters.
Sea otters are stream-blind marine mammals which look like a larger, fluffier version of their freshwater cousins, river otters. They have 4 legs to move easily on land and a long tail to swim through the water. Sea otters also have thick brown fur that insulates them against the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean.
Sea otters are furry, playful mammals known for holding hands with one another. These cute sea creatures are highly specialized predators with many interesting behaviors. Sea otters are keystone species, meaning their role in the environment has a greater effect than other species. As top predators, sea otters are critical in maintaining the nearshore ecosystem such as kelp forest, embayments, and estuaries. Without sea otters, sea urchins can overpopulate the seafloor and devour kelp forests that provide cover and food for many other marine mammals. Sea otters are essential to the ecosystem, and they are facing some serious threats. Their population level are decreasing due to high mortality rate among prime age adults. Scientists claim that up to 40% of these deaths are results of human pollution. There are many ways on how to protect and maintain the population of sea otters.
First is the 3R, or also known as reuse, reduce, and recycle. Second is disposing of hazardous waste properly. Third is using non-toxic cleaning products. Fourth is don't litter or dump materials into storm drains. Fifth is using or consuming less water. And lastly, learn more about ocean issues and share your knowledge.
We as an individual can help the loss of biodiversity. Since consumption of resources is the root of biodiversity loss, we can consume less and be mindful of what we consume. We need to leverage our purchasing power to help protect biodiversity by consuming products that do not harm the environment.